Alright, this is the Shed Barbecue and Blues joint. This is our second time here, and it's quite an experience. Gotta come over here to see the car. That looks a little more fancy than the other. The car.
Huh? Yeah, where's the car?
How about that, Sherry? That's neat, that picture. You can sell something like that.
Yesterday. God. I'm going to treat you.